Hello there, YouTubers. Today I just want to show you something that I came across that's on my tractor. I realized that I only need it's a two-way switch. I'm only using this and that contact in the upward thing, upward position. But yeah, so I found out there's no continuity on these terminals. So there's little tabs, 4 tabs, 2 on each side there. I bent back, and there's really not much to this. Just take a look here. It's a little rocker that flips back and forth between the contacts. And these were really badly corroded. I was getting no contact with them. So I just bent this ear back just slightly enough to get this apparatus out, and took wished I would have had emery, but I ended up using some 100 grit sandpaper just to try to get me over the hump. I cleaned down those contacts. They were all corroded. There was no continuity at all, but I do now have continuity. And now the trick is, so it's very simple. Then I bent those ears, put that thing back in there, bent the ears back, and well, that's a little off there. There we go. And now the trick is getting this back into here and trying to bend these ears back in to close it up. We'll see how we progress with that.